Tapa Abotoase, one of the major towns in the traditional capital of the Tapa Traditional Area, community of hardworking people who speak Twi, known for fishing, farming, and their famous 4-day periodic market. Even though today isn't a market day, the river still breathes life into this place. I met up with an old friend in the media space, Destiny for real. He instantly became my tour guide for the day. The kind of friend who loves long conversations. But that's exactly what you need when you're exploring a new place.
My tour guide for the day.
Our first stop was the Zongo area. Life here moves to the rhythm of the river. I launched the drone to capture the calm, the movement, and the stories that live along this water. After a short drink, Destiny suggested we head to the main riverside. He said it would be better for interviews and wide shots.
One, we will go through the market inside. Then we go to the market, then we will get to the river mouth. So for the river mouth, then we will pass there, come this way, then we'll get both them first.
Okay.
Then we'll get another road for where you go pass here, go straight.
He was right. The moment I lifted the drone, the river stretched endlessly, peaceful, yet full of stories untold. I met a young man named Adeshin. Funny name, right? Turns out he's a TikTok comedian and a trader here in Abotoase. We talked about business, daily struggles, and how people depend on this river for survival.
Adeshin, Pacho, for how long now are we around us?
Oh, maybe I know Carol Obeka, no, I free. I know my woman.
Okay. Now, aha, your friend has said
Tapa Abotoase.
Tapa Abotoase.
Okay, so I won't call it a history. So one of the things that is interesting about Abotoase. Let me go straight to the point because I see you have a long journey there.
Yeah.
So you see, we have a lot of things coming into this town.
Okay.
You see, a lot of businesses. For example, like this charcoal you see here, these ones. These are huge gold mines. You see, so they do export it from here to Accra and other places. Even some people export it to outside the country.
So straight from here to Accra.
Straight.
And where is it coming from?
No, it comes from Riverbank, from different villages. So what the villages do is that you see, if you can look deep there, you will see there are a lot of trees there.
Okay.
So people do produce charcoal there, they burn it and then they bring it here. So when they bring it here, this is their bus stop. So there is a bus stop or harbor.
Okay.
Then they drop it here, and then these big cars come in and they take it from here to Accra, Ho, Kumasi. They do take it from here. So other business that comes in are also cassava dough.
Okay.
Kondo.
Agbelema.
Agbelema. Cassava dough, kondo. Those ones to come in from Riverbank because here the ones we produce here it's not that much. But from there, they do bring it in large quantity, and they come and sell it here. Also fish.
Okay.
They bring in different type of fish like fingerlings, 1,000.
Okay. Those ones.
1,000 and tilapia and all those ones. They bring it in also from there, and some other little things. But in going back, when they are going back, most of them buy this wood.
Okay.
From the sawmill there, they do buy wood, and even they bring cow too in. Yam always come from Dambai, Krachi, Kwame Dansu, and Tebudu. So they bring it all the way to Krachi, and then they bring it in here.
Route?
Yeah, some people bring it from here, but mostly they bring it through cars. So I saw a podcast where you did at Dambai.
Yes.
So they do cross with the Pantu, and then they bring it here. So if you get it at Dambai, you get it cheap. You go to Krachi, you get it cheaper. You go to Kwame Dansu, you get it very cheaper.
So
but when you bring it
higher
here,
you go,
but when you bring it here, it becomes a little bit expensive.
Okay.
You understand? So that is it here. So here there are a lot of businesses around here. So there are more things.
Wow.
There's something that is challenging here. Recently there is an accident in the lakeside here. You heard about it. It came on Adum and this. And so let me just use this to create awareness.
Okay.
So that at least I'm sure one government official or somebody will watch the video. I hope so. So that they will know that okay, the people need life jackets. And needing the life jacket, they need education about it.
Okay.
Because they do have this sense, is it thinking that when you wear life jacket, it causes accident. So they need the education and the they should educate them on how to implement it or how to use it and other things.
Okay.
I think that one too is very, very important. So that one, they will leave it in your hand. I think
problem the dosso. A problem the dosso papa. Say the marketing it first no. And scientists are drivers be who complain or road port network no planning here.
Okay.
And boy back class.
Ekwan na eba ha no.
Kwan na eba cars mu ban so na no belodi a mu bre papa. Mu bre papa. Both so mu ba. Say the environment in as for more for sit down across to river no mu ba so mu bre. And market so in Chinafako. I think
And so that me yiri ba ha ana baby.
oh, fire in a crampo.
Wow.
Fire in a.
Then I'll pay say buy na be ya fa.
Yes, da e bre papa. Say na Abotoase din akọ baby no. Say e pese ko na ni bola be enko no sa e bre papa kwan no. Ombe shishie o market no my. Market no I think the do tintin engine afako.
Welcome to Tulaku, a place where animals are slaughtered and sold to the market. I met with Nuruba and he explained how their market terrain works. Enjoy the conversation.
Every 2 days we are.
2 days there market. Intentional jacket for.
Okay.
See, didn't jacket for any jackets. 2 days.
Ti jacket to and then am na jacket and then am.
We na Ghana. Ghana.
Ti jacket to and ya nkrofo fi hin na eba ha na jacket se no so nkrofo so.
I'm bad jacket for na jacket no ma ku. It's 2 days no ma saba.
Okay.
This is the USAID Health Voyager donated to communities along the Volta Lake to help facilitate health outreach, especially to communities that are far to reach by road. On my way out, I came across a group of boys fishing with hooks, calm, patient, and focused. Watching them reminded me that in Abotoase, the river isn't just a water. It is a teacher, a friend, and a lifeline. Before leaving, I passed by a local workshop where skilled hands shape canoes that keep life on the Volta moving. This is Tapa Abotoase, a fishing and farming community resting on the banks of the Volta River. Even on a quiet day, its beauty and rhythm speak loudly. I'm Daniel Mintatere. Thank you for joining me on this journey. See you in the next story.